Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna make bread for the first time. I have my yeast, I have some cinnamon, this is powdered sugar, and I have some warm water, 1 cup, and I have my measurement cup, and I have some melted butter because I want some butter in there, and I'm using bread flour. Let's add 2 cups of flour. Okay, one. Okay. Okay, so I'm about to add this yeast. Okay. Sprinkle my cinnamon. Just a little bit. Add in my little bit of powdered sugar. And adding in the salt. Smells so good already. Now let's add the 1 cup of water. Just stir it in. This is what the dough is looking like. I'm gonna add the butter because I wanted to add butter to it. Stir that in, and then I'm gonna let it sit for a couple of hours. Okay, this is what it's looking like after I add the butter. We're gonna let it sit and let it cover for 2 hours, and then we'll be back. Let's see if anything happened. It's been 2 hours. Oh, it did double in size. Oh my goodness. I'm supposed to. Oh. And fold it into itself. Oh my gosh. I wasn't even. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm excited. Let me do it again. Oh my goodness. Wow, that is amazing. This is my bread pan. I'm gonna use some oil to oil it up, and then I'm gonna put it in there and leave it for another hour. This makes me so happy. I'm gonna put it in the pan. I'm gonna cover it again for another hour, okay? And then we're gonna start baking. Don't make fun of my pan. Let's cover it again. Okay. It went all the way up. So now we are going to make some decoration. Maybe cut it like this. Okay, and we're gonna put it in the oven. I heated the oven to 375. I'm gonna put it for 30 minutes. Oh, look at this beautiful. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I made bread. Okay, it's really hot. I don't even want to touch it. I'm just gonna let it cool, and then I'll take it out the pan. Like 15 minutes. Ooh. Okay, let's see if it come out the pan. The pan is still kind of hot. Oh my goodness! Look at this! I made bread. What? Wow! I made my own bread. Oh, okay. I cannot wait to cut me a slice. Check this out. Let's cut it. It smells so good. So excited. So this is what it looks like, nice and moist. Oh. Look at it, nice and moist. OMG, I don't know what to do. Let me try some. Oh my gosh.